guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Topbox and my Boxy charm unboxings for June. This is definitely coming out in July because I just realized today's actually July. But anyway, so these are my boxes. We'll start with the Topbox. So this is what it looks like inside. Not very interesting. I don't know why they changed the box, to be perfectly honest. I kind of liked the black box with like the top box on it, but comes with all these things in here. I'm going to grab the first thing in here, which is this retinol line erasing night serum. These are from Elizabeth Arden. I actually have a few of these. I'm trying to get through them. So, I mean, I don't know if it's doing anything for my face, but I mean, these are really expensive. So those are nice. And then in here is this here, and this is from Clarins. Oh, there's two things from Clarins in here, I just noticed. So this is from Clarins, and this is the Lip Comfort Oil in cherry. So it's probably quite bright. So this is a lip oil with rose oil in it. Oh, it's very tiny, but I think it's an oil with some color. I'm not gonna probably use this, so I will give this to somebody. It's kind of a sample size, so that's okay, but I mean, my friends still like the kind of stuff. So the next thing in here is Clarins, is from Clarins Men, and it says gel, energizing gel with red ginseng extract. What is it, a face cream? It says it's a complimentary sample on it, so this is like one of the non ones that we were supposed to get. I don't even know what this is. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it looks like it's a cream. It has like the little package in here. It usually tells you how to use it, but yeah. Well, I'll give that to my boyfriend because it probably smells a little bit more like men stuff. And then there's two more things in here, and this is from Pure. And what is this? This is the 4-in-1 correcting primer. What? Oh, this is like I think this is a full bottle. This energizes and it rescues with aloe and coconut water with probiotics. So foam free. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I actually like Pure. It's a great brand. So there is that, and then there's one more item in here, and this is from Floss, and this is probably a lipstick. Oh, it's actually not. It's a, well, it is, but it's a cheek or lip tint. Let's see what color it is. It's in Villa, it's called. How do I, oh, you twist. Okay, I mean, to be perfectly honest, that could probably be a contour for me. I'm probably gonna check that out. So that's kind of cool. All right, so we got 5 items this month in here, and I'm pretty sure these are both full sizes. And then this is a very expensive product, so that's exciting. I am gonna get rid of this and this, but to be perfectly honest, I'm keeping 3 things out of the 6 things, so that's awesome. So then there's Boxy Charm. So let's see what's in this month. This month is called Express Yourself. So I'm not going to read that yet. Okay. So the first thing I'm looking at is this, and this is the Dr. Brant Backlight Primer. Oh, it's another primer. Okay. So Prime Blur Glow is what it says on here. So it's Dr. Brant, so that's a very expensive product. So this is a $38 primer. I mean, that's pretty good, actually. Dr. Brant's usually a bit more expensive, so that's not too bad. So that's exciting. I mean, I do have a lot of primers. If you guys didn't see that video, you can check it out. I decluttered some of my primer drawer because I have a lot. So up next is this from House Laboratories. This is like the Lady Gaga brand. I'm probably saying it wrong. This is it's called Biker Glam Attack All Over Liquid Shimmer Powder. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. Oh, it's gray. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, so I think it's an eyeshadow. Like an eyeshadow, like... Oh, there's some glitters in it. I don't think I'm going to use this, to be perfectly honest. This isn't really my kind of color, but it's not bad. I mean, that's what it looks like. It's got a little bit of gray shimmer to it. And this is a $20 shimmer powder, it's called. Okay, so that's That's all right. Okay, so then I'm gonna grab this out here, and this is from Stay Calm, I think it's called. Give them Lala skin. Oh, LA, maybe LA skin. I don't know what it says. These are soothing sheet masks. I think there's 4 in here. So there are 4 in here. So that's actually pretty decent. They are sheet masks. I can feel the sheets in here. And these are for soothing, softening, with the calming, smoothing with chamomile, aloe, chamomile, and licorice root. This is supposed to help you stay visibly hydrated. So the pack of these are $30. That's expensive. Holy crud. Okay, so those are expensive masks. I'm definitely going to use those because I like me some sheet masks. There's 2 more items in here, and I'm going to just grab this one out here. And this one is the Violation, I think it's called, Turmeric Brightening Polish, Face and Body. What is this? Okay, so this is what the container looks like. It gently massage onto wet skin and leave on for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Okay, so it is a body scrub, I guess. Okay, that I'll use. Not gonna lie, I don't have a problem getting body washes. This is $38. Holy sh! That's crazy. So this is, you can use it on your skin or your face or your body. So I mean, it would make more sense if it was catered just to your face that is that expensive, but a body scrub is a little much for that. But definitely gonna keep that. Okay, so there is one more item in here, and this is from Violet Voss. This is the Sun-Kissed Summer Pro Series eyeshadow palette. There are 10 eyeshadows in here. This is what it looks like. These are the very pretty colors that come in this palette. There is Sandbar, Sun-Kissed, Sensation, Gold Coast, Heat Wave. So I think the only one I probably won't use is this one here. This is the Berry Hot one. So I don't remember if I picked this one out or if I just was like, it doesn't matter, but these are super pretty. And of course, the Violet Voss palette is $37, but that's a normal palette price for Violet Voss. I do have another Violet Voss palette that I've actually been using, and I really enjoy it, so I'm definitely keeping this. Alrighty, so altogether, this box is $163. I mean, everything's pretty much a $36 item, except for this, so that's pretty cool. I am definitely going to keep everything, but probably not this. I will give this to a friend of mine who probably will use it in either her makeup kit or on herself. So that's definitely not bad. This month was pretty good for that kind of stuff. Like, I'm only getting rid of 2 items from the Topbox and my Boxy charm. So that's pretty awesome. Well, that was everything for June's Topbox and Boxy charm. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!